Hi guys, so in this video I will show you how to properly protect your trading systems using a simple front-end PHP script, MySQL database, and your MT4 terminal. So let's assume our EA we want to protect is called test E3. Let's add it into our MT4 chart and see what will happen if EA has no valid license. As you can see, the EA validation failed. We get an error message and EA is not initialized and will not run on our chart. The initialization function gave us an error and there is no smiley face on our chart. This basically means the EA is disabled. So let's try to add a new database entry for our EA using a simple PHP form. The account number we enter must be equal to our MT4 account, so we really need to double check it. The EA name must be equal to the EA file name we want to validate. Let's enter our password and submit the form. As you can see, a new database field has been added with our account number. Let's check if our remote database is also updated. Let's refresh the table. As you can see, our database got a new entry with our account number, the account name, first installation date, which will be updated by EA later on, product name, platform type, EA expiration date, and EA status field. So let's try to validate our EA once again. As you can see this time, the EA validated successfully as indicated by this message. And our EA is now running and executing its code. And the smiley face is indicating EA is enabled. Let's check our database once again. As you can see, the additional information has been updated by the EA, including the first installation date, which shows when EA was used for the first time. Let's try to disable EA by changing its status to 0. And let's see if it will validate again in our MT4. Adding EA again to the same chart. And you can see that EA has now been remotely disabled. Initialization failed, no smiley face. Let's enable it again. Adding again to the chart. And our EA works and is running again. Everything looks fine. Let's now change the EA's expiration date to a date far in the past to see what will happen. For example, 2nd of January. Adding EA to the chart again. And here you go, the expiration date mechanism worked as it's supposed to. The EA is blocked again. Let's change it back to enable our EA again. Let's test it one more time. Okay, great, it works again, so our remote EA licensing mechanism is fully tested. And this simple licensing system can now be used with all other EAs and indicators. So if you're interested in this solution or need customized coding, you can get our free PDF guide by contacting me on fiverr.com. See the links below this video.